this video, we're learning how to fix payment method declined on App Store. So let's just get straight into the video. There are a couple of reasons why you could be facing this problem. There are unpaid balances, bank level blocks, incorrect billing information, or even regional mismatches. In order to go ahead and fix a couple of these problems is going to be by simply heading into your settings first, and then simply tap on your profile name, head straight to media and purchases and click on view account. Then simply tap on purchase history and look for any order in the red, which could be unpaid. Tap the item and select a new payment method to pay the balance if there are previous balances pending right over here. Also tap on manage payments and try to simply go ahead and re-add your card here right over here and click on done. The final thing you want to go ahead and try to do is going to be by simply heading into the general settings, scrolling all the way down to transfer reset, click on reset and reset network settings. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.